Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss one important topic, that is letter writing. Okay, so letter writing is very important for us, right? So now here in this session we are going to discuss one important question. What is that? Once you see this from the Storied House part 2, in the morning the village officers and witnesses visited the place to record the facts of the accident. Bayaji's death was the result of an accident due to a Petromax flare-up was the conclusion. Okay, so this is the lesson we have discussed, and Bayaji passed away in this his house because that Petromax flare-up was there, means a fire accident. But all the people, they concluded that it is a fire accident. In fact, everyone in Bayaji's family knew the truth. But what is the reality? What is the truth? Only Bayaji's family knew that. Suppose the eldest son wanted to make a complaint against the person who was responsible for it to the police inspector. Now he wanted to give the complaint to the inspector of the police, that Bayaji's eldest son. So now here you, on behalf of the eldest son, write a letter of complaint. Imagine that you are the eldest son of Bayaji. You have to write a letter of complaint to the inspector of the police. Okay, now here some indicators are discussed with us, which here we have to discuss some indicators. And also in letter writing, two types of letters are there, that is formal letter and informal letter. So this lesson, this letter comes under informal letter, that is personal letter. Okay, so now here for this letter, assessment indicators I will discuss. Afterwards, if the time will be there, I will write the format on the board. So first of all, we have to know what are the these indicators we have to follow for writing the letter. First one, using language appropriate to the context. Whatever the context is given, whatever the subject is given related to that topic, we have to write the letter. We have to write the same language. Means here, whatever the topic is given related to that, we have to write. Using appropriate format layout. So layout, that box and this formalities, station, date. Okay, right side this dear friend are to the, now this is a inspector lesson. What is that? To the police inspector we are writing. So this is a formal letter, right? So for formal letter, from address to address, okay, salutation, subject and the matter will be there. Letter thanking you and yours faithfully. So here using appropriate format and layout will come under that. Using appropriate conventions like salutation, endorsement, etc. Okay, so these are all conventions of writing, salutation. No need to write dear sir, respected sir, lovely sir, that all the things we have to not mention in the letter writing. Just simply we have to write sir, it's enough. Okay, so then expressing ideas sequentially, means here one after the other ideas, means here there should be a connection between the sentence to sentence. The sentence structure and subject verb agreement also we have to follow, and later that one after the other sequence should not miss in the letter writing. Using persuasive language, perfect language. Okay, subject verb agreement should be there, and one after the other connections should be there, like prepositions, conjunctions, all the things we have to use appropriately. Maintaining the coherence, means here one after the other connections. Next, reflecting relationship. What is the relationship between the sentences, right? That all the things we have to. And next one, using well-formed constructions. That tense formation is most important. Okay, in which tense formation you are writing? Either you are writing present tense, or past tense, or past perfect. That you have to avoid in your mind. Maintaining the conventions of writing, spellings. That is most important. Spellings, we should not. We have to avoid the spelling mistakes, because as we are 10th class students, we should not go for the spelling mistakes, because before writing you have to imagine what you are writing. Once you think in your mind what you are going to write, what you want to express in that. Okay, and using proper punctuations. Punctuations is most important in our final examinations. For the letter writing, punctuations is most important. They fetches you the good marks. So don't forget this punctuations. Okay, so with this we have concluded this session. We will meet again in another session. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.